Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I got a pay dirt review for you. I got it off of Amazon. This will be the second time that I've reviewed them. It's almost been a year since I reviewed them the first time, but flipping through Amazon, you know, buying my wife's hair products, my hair products, and of course I always click gold pay dirt and see what's available. So I got it. Who am I talking about? Sluiceboy Prospecting, that Georgia company. Love that Georgia gold. Don't think there's a guarantee on this. I'm gonna have to look at the description, but I'm pretty sure it was not. But this one cost 35 bucks, and there it is. What I love about this, it's in a box. They make their own boxes. That's a first. So Sluiceboy Prospecting, again, I bought them maybe 3 times. I was gonna buy one of their more expensive ones. I think they're like 60 bucks and then 120. But for whatever reason, this one shipped next day. So I'm like, yeah, I want it now. So I got the $35 one. But yeah, cool box. I mean, he wraps this up like it's a diamond ring. Look at this. It's even got like Christmas paper. Takes care of his pay dirt, man. That's how you do it. Oh, got a little something here, like a little brochure. Sluiceboy's live gemstone show. Come and join the rock party. Holy crap. When is this? Live gem show. Blah, 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 blah. Wednesday and Saturday nights. So I guess it's a repetitive thing. Oh, and it also has instructions on how to gold pan. Sluiceboy's gold panning tips right there. And I'm not going to look at them because I've been doing this for a year and a half. I think I can figure it out by now. But there's that. I love his bags too. These are some of the best bags because they're simple, yet they are cool and they're easy to get the dirt out. Just a simple plastic bag with his sticker right there, and then it's got a staple holding it together. Came with the gold vial, nice little cute vial, and then here is my sticker. Better be a sticker. There it is. Got my little Sluiceboy Prospecting sticker. Put it in a bowl and get to panning it. Shouldn't take me that long. It's very small. It's about a pound. Let's get to classifying this. So before we classify, I want you to look at this little setup right here. I just threw that over there on my little desk, and that's just a nice little display. Here it is. Looking for a bowl. Really don't need any big bowls. And I'll pan down, we'll dump it in there, and I'll probably classify this one time. I don't know, we'll see. I will cut this open. I will cut this open. I will cut this open. Good Lord. Good solid hard plastic too. Nice and sturdy. So there it is. I'm gonna dump it in this little bowl. Very dry, but a good dry. It's not gonna be a dusty dry. Ooh, I think I see an amethyst. There's an amethyst right there on top. Sweet. So yeah, no guarantee on this. I will classify this down one time and then see how much it is and probably just do one. I really don't think I need to do more than one. Dump that in there real fast. Shaky, shaky real fast. I think it just fell right through. See, no dust whatsoever. So there's the 20 mesh. I think I'll do one more. I think I'll do 40 mesh and then I'll be done. Because pretty much every bit of it just fell right into my bucket. No, that's my 20. Oops. Ha! That must have been my 10. My bad. I wasn't paying attention. It looked like a 20 mesh, but it was not. It was not.
I did not. Oh, hi, Mark.
That was my 10 mesh, so I'm going to do that again. There's my 20, and then we'll do 40 and minus 40 and be done. All right, and here they are. Starting with 10 mesh, 20 mesh, 40 mesh, minus 40. We'll start with that, go right back up, and then we'll be done. But you know how I like to drag things out, so probably won't be. We are going to get started with the minus 40. Now, if I am not mistaken, especially with Georgia pay dirt, going to be basically all quartz, very little magnetic material, some black sands, and at least the minus 40. And I probably will not see very much, if any, flour gold. It'll be all small flakes. So that is my guess. And I'm also going to guess, being that I paid $35 for this bag, I will probably see 1/4 of a gram. I'm going to guess 0.25 grams of gold in this pay dirt. He does have bonus bags where he offers, I don't know what it is, 1 out of every 5, let's say. I'll give you a description of it here in a minute. But 1 out of ever so many bags, he puts 40 to 50% more gold. Hopefully I got one of those bonus bags. Going back to Georgia, I've done it one time. Went to a GPAA claim in Buchanan, Georgia. Literally went with a pan, a bucket, and a really bad shovel. Did not find any gold. yeah, I want to go back there and come more prepared, and hopefully I can find other places to pan as well. So there's all those black sands I was talking about. I didn't run the magnet through it just because I know there'll be a little bit, but not a whole lot. And on our first pan, we got gold. Pan this stuff back, very fine flakes. And I got a floater. So first pan, we got 5 little bitty flakes. And we're done with that pan. So yeah, we'll do it in 3 because that's most of my material is in the -40. But yeah, I've bought from Chrism, I bought from this company, I bought from another place, I forgot the name, TNR I think. They all get their gold from Georgia, Alabama. I've just never seen flour gold in any of those places, and I've bought from all 3, more from Chrism than anybody else. Maybe an occasional 1 or 2, but it's just always been small flakes, small flat flakes. And it's amazing. You look at the history of Georgia gold, and you know, back in the days, that's pretty much east of the United States was the original gold rush. And I don't know, it's just weird seeing how Carolina and Georgia had this gold belt, and you could get gold, you can mine for gold. All of a sudden, you know, hey, there's gold in California. Everybody just dropped everything and took off straight to the west to get that gold. So I'm wondering how much gold there still is in the state of Georgia, Carolina, South Carolina, and North Carolina, Alabama even. It stretches all the way down to there. And that's another place I'm going to probably eventually go to and do my panning in or whatever I can. But Georgia has always had really pretty gold. Looky there. Right on cue gold. Always easy to pan. Oh, haha, did you see that? They're small flakes, but man, they're flat and they take a ride. Do I need to add more? I put jet dry in there. Let me spread it out so you guys can see it. What do we got here? 7. Super fine, super small, but super nice. Yeah. Dump it all in there. Yeah, very clean pay dirt too. It's not a whole lot of dust in there. Keeps my water clean, which is what I love. Oh yeah, look at that. There's some more gold. Ah, and it's floating. Come on. So there it is. I'm not going to count it, but might as well. 5, 10, 15, about 20 pieces right there. Again, very, very light. Suck those up and we are done with the -40. Let's go to my +40 -20. Ta-da! I'll do this in 2. Pan this back, and we got some more flakes. Wow, what do we got there? 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 more small flakes. I've got 3 snuffer bottles over here on the table beside me, and I'm hoping that I'm not picking up, because each one of them has a different purpose. One of them's got gold that I've been using for quartz. Any big quartz that I get from other pay dirts, I'll keep it and then crush it, and if I find any gold, I'll keep it in that snuffer bottle. So I don't want to contaminate one snuffer bottle with another pay dirt. All right, so this is the last of the +40 -20. Look at that. Cleans out really nice though. I think that right there, I think that's a piece of pyrite. I'm gonna suck it up, but it could be pyrite. What do we got? 5, 10, 15, 25. 24, 25 pieces right there. And we are done with the +40. On to the +20 right after these words from my new sponsor. So guys, I want to tell you about my new sponsor. I'm excited to have a new sponsor on the Groovy Gold Hunter channel, and my new sponsor is the Vacation Voyagers. They are a YouTube channel that goes out and does cruises. They do videos, vlogs, they do all kinds of stuff, do ship reviews, they review foods and hotels. Any vacations that they do, they videotape it, and I would like to thank them for sponsoring my video. I appreciate it, Vacation Voyagers. It's actually the Vacation Voyagers. So thank you for sponsoring my video. And for all you guys, if you're looking for any cruise tips, ship reviews, if you're planning on going on a cruise, go to the Vacation Voyagers, and that man and his wife will show you whatever you want to know about cruise life, cruising, ships, all that jibber jab. So yeah, go see those fine people, and they'll give you some casino tips on cruise ships as well as casinos on land. So yes, the Vacation Voyagers on YouTube, also Facebook and Twitter, or whatever that new Twitter thing, the X thing, that thing. Thank you, the Vacation Voyagers. All right, I can't wait to get my first check from my sponsor. All right, 20 mesh right here. I'm gonna pour the whole thing in because there's really not a whole lot in there. There it is. Ooh, and I see a piece of gold. Nice and smooth, super easy to pan off, like I said. Quick tap, and we got, what do we got? 3? I think we got 3. Well, it's hard to tell because all that, there we go. Yeah, we got 3. 3 decent sized flakes right there. Unos, dos, 3. Right there. And that is all of the 20 mesh, and all we have left is that 10, and we are done. We'll just stay rolling. There it is. Now there's quite a few, not quite a few, but there's a couple pieces of gemstone in here, amethyst, like I was saying. Ooh, and a stick. Get all that organic stuff out of there. I don't know, it sounds like a piece of gold at the bottom. I hear that little clinkety clink clank clank. There's a piece of black something or another right here that I found kind of interesting. I'm wondering if it's obsidian or if it's just a black rock. I'm gonna pull it out and dig it somewhere. Well, I thought I had a bowl, but I don't. Ooh, I got a pan. Probably nothing, but I'm panning this slowly because, like I said, there is some amethyst in here. So maybe there's some other small little gemstones as well. Probably not any gold, but you never know. So far I haven't seen any. There's another one of those little black pieces of something or another right there. Let's take it to my finishing side. Did I pan off that amethyst? I don't think I did. Maybe I did. Oops. Well, no gold, but I think I accidentally panned off all of the amethyst. All right, guys, we are done with that pay dirt. You know the drill. Let's go upstairs. I got to dry it. Then we'll weigh it, look at it. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we are in the room, and it's time to weigh the Sluiceboy Prospecting stuff. This is what I panned out. This is what we got. Booyah. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look how shiny that gold is. Georgia's just got beautiful gold. I cannot wait to get down there in Georgia and try to find some. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try to find some. All right, get you over here where you can see my scale, and we'll weigh this stuff real quick, like zero it out. And here we go. I said what, 1/4 gram? That's what my guess was. Not quite. 0.213 is what we got out of that. So yeah. All right, so let's get on the old gold calculator and see what kind of value we got from this stuff right over here. Hello, my friends. We are on the gold calculator, and I've already put in the numbers. 0.215 grams of gold. We're going to call it 24 karat. Don't ask me why are you calling it 24 karat. I always call it 24 karat because it's just easier to do that way. So there. Look at the gold prices right now. $2,178.83. That is unbelievable. I've never even seen it up to 2,100, and now all of a sudden it's 2,178. $70 a gram right now. Let's calculate $15.06. Now, put that in there real quick. $15.06. All right, so I paid $34.99 for this. More than I should have. I thought it was $31 for some reason, but no, 35 bucks for it. Free delivery. Like I said, I got it on Amazon. We'll put in the exact amount that I paid for it, $34.99. Calculate, yeah, 43%. Not great, especially in comparison. I mean, look how big the gold prices are. If they were down, it would have even been worse. It's okay. 43% is okay, but it's not great. Kind of sucked, to be honest. Yeah, that was a little disappointing. I thought there would be more than that. Especially 2178 is how much gold is right now. So if it was right around that 2,000 mark, return would have been even worse. It's $33.95. So heck, I paid the same price that I would have. I paid $1 more. So forget what I said earlier. I thought it would be a lot less than that doing it online. Actually, let me view this and see how much. No, shipping's free, so yeah, you can go to Amazon, pay $1 more and get it next day. He also sells it on Shop Pay as well. I've seen it on there before when I was looking for pay dirts. I thought it would be like, you know, 25, 30 bucks if you bought it online, but $35 on Amazon, $34 on his website. Anyway, that's that. There's that review. Again, 43% and record-breaking gold prices, and it's still only 43%. Not much more to say about it, except I love that gold. Georgia gold is fantastic. It's always been fantastic. Can't wait to get down in Georgia and start trying to find it myself for a change instead of buying it from all these companies in Georgia. So yeah, hopefully I can do that this spring, maybe summer, and if I do, you guys will come with me. I've said enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the like button, the share button. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's a quick video. I know you guys are like, yes, quick is better, especially with your face. And thank you again for watching. And until next time, this is Heath saying peace and love. And I will see you on my next review. Bye, everybody. Close. I gotta learn how to shut my closet when I'm doing reviews.